Making some delicious margaritas. Hi there, I'm Piper. But I just broke my lime squeezer. You can use your fingers to press all of the juice out of the limes, but it gets pretty tough. Here's my special kitchen tip. I use tongs. Place the lime between the tongue and squeeze. You can even do it again to get the most out of your limes. Here we go. Now I'm ready to drink my margarita. Cheers! And subscribe to my channel!